Magnitude 20 earthquake. A magnitude 20 quake sounds impossible. And it is, unless something enormous slams into Earth. Something like a city-killing, continent-cracking asteroid. This wouldn't just rattle buildings or knock Grandma's photo off the wall. It would rip continents open. You'd feel the ground convulsing for 5 full minutes, and aftershocks would go on for hours. Cities would crumble like sandcastles. Tsunamis would tear across our oceans. Tectonic plates would lurch, and Earth's geography would be transformed. But here's the critical question. Could we possibly see the asteroid coming in time to stop it?